Hi there, it's Melanie. Thank you so much for joining me and being a patron. I wanted to introduce you to two of the three beacons. This is Brett and Janet I have here, and they are currently activated and communicating with each other. Hopefully in the next couple weeks, I'll be able to share some video of them being used out in public space and how the lights change. The beacons here have a shell that's made of cedar and it's been resined. Before I resined it, I shaved the sides super thin through CNC and then through hand sanding so the light shines through. But if the lights are off, they still look like really beautiful designed objects. They're dodecahedrons, and some of my next steps as well will be looking at different ways to produce these sides for the maker kits. So I'm looking forward to that. Thank you again, and I look forward to sharing more of this project with you.